Kimi K3 AI tips that saves your time. The first thing is whenever you're asking for something, be specific. Clearly describe what you want for better result. Most people just give vague prompt and the AI gets confused. So make sure to be specific and make sure to assign a role. So if you want like a professor, you can just say, I assigned you a role of a professor. So explain to me this topic in this way, and it explains it to you. Or you can assign a role of a marketer and it answers you in that way. And the next thing is ask for step-by-step answers. So if you want to organize in point answer, make sure to write this answer this in a step-by-step way, and the question is this, and it's going to answer you in a step-by-step way. And make sure to ask for points in bullet points. It is easy to understand if Kimi K3 AI answers you in bullet points. It's easy for you to understand as well. And refine with follow-up, which means if it is not an answer you want, make sure to explain, okay, this answer has this bad take, I don't want that, fix it and give me the answer, and it's going to give you an answer in a more refined way. Most answers Kimi K3 AI gives cannot be actually correct in the first try, so make sure to reiterate and correct it. But these are the things that saves you time if you use Kimi K3 AI in the way I taught you. So subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.